Okay, who wants to be our first bear hang volunteer? Jake?
Okay.
You probably need to practice.
So ideally, you want your bag hanging 12 feet in the air. Split between two trees that are at least 12 feet apart. Why?
Because a bear can climb up the trees and try to reach for it. So you want to keep it out of reach.
Yeah. That's right.